Can you wait 10 minutes?
Anna, I can smell cookies. Come on, come on.
I am faster than you. Move!
Good morning, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning, my darlings. I made something special. 1 cookie for each of you.
Good morning, family. Are you ready for a challenge today?
Wait 10 minutes, then you get 2 cookies. There is only one rule. Do not eat it.
10 whole minutes? That is so long, Dad.
Easy. I can do that.
10 minutes is very long. "10 minutes, starting now." Just looking is okay, right?
Two cookies. 2 cookies. I want 2 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just need to move around. Walking helps, maybe. Spin! That is my new plan.
I am very strong. I will not move.
It smells so amazing.
Jack, do not do it.
But I want it so much.
No, I said no. I will not eat it.
Jack! Jack, put it down. You are so close.
Well done, Anna. 2 cookies.
I did it. I got 2 cookies. It is okay, Jack. You will try again.
Hey, come sit with me a moment. Tell me, how did it feel?
I really wanted it, Dad.
That is okay. That means you are human. Can I tell you something interesting?
Okay.
Once, there was a boy, just like you. He saw 1 marshmallow. But he tried again, and he waited. He tried again? I want to show you something. Have you heard of the marshmallow test?
Hello! Today, I want to tell you about a famous test. In 1970, scientists gave children 1 marshmallow, just 1 marshmallow, and 1 choice. Children who waited did better. In school, in life. Waiting is a skill, and you can practice it every day.
So, what do we think?
I want to practice too. I want to try again.
This feeling has a name. The word is patience.
Patience.
Patient means you can wait without worry, without rushing.
Jack, I can teach you my trick. Do you want to know? Think about after. How happy you will feel. That helped me.
Dad, can I try again? Tomorrow? Today is the day!
All ready. Come on, Jack.
I am ready. I can do this. I can do this.
I am here, Jack. I will help you.
Ready, Jack? This is your time.
One, two, three. You are doing great, Jack. You can do it. Think about 2 cookies. Think about after.
Okay, I am good. I can do this.
Jack, what is funny? Why are you laughing?
I did it!
Jack, you did it, my love. You waited. 2 cookies. Well done, Jack.
Here, this one is for you.
No, those are your cookies. You earned them, Jack.
You helped me. We share. That is what we do. Jack, what did you learn today? Wait now, get more later. That is the lesson.
That is wisdom, son. That is wisdom.
Today's words: wait, patience, reward, practice.
Every day, I will practice one thing. Small waiting. I will wait. Everyone must sit first.
Extra big slice for the patient one.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Come back soon. Thank you for watching with us.
Goodbye from the Brown family.